everyone, in this series we are going to learn how to develop e-commerce website using Django Oscar library. This is the first part of the series, and in this video we will be learning how to install and set up Django Oscar environment for our project. I will be using Visual Studio Code for this project. So now let us install Django Oscar on our system. First, go to google.com and search Django Oscar. Click on the first link you see. Here you can see that the version of Django Oscar is 2.0.4. Check the latest releases of this library and click on 2.1.0. This is the documentation of Django Oscar library of the latest release. You can find furthermore things in this documentation. So now click on building your own shop. This page has everything you need to install Django Oscar and integrate it in our project. So first of all, we will be creating a virtual environment for our project using the command make virtual env and the virtual environment name. So let us run this command and create a virtual environment called Oscar D. In a few moments our virtual environment will be ready. So after creating a virtual environment, we need to install Django Oscar library in our project. So let us install Django Oscar library using pip install Django Oscar command. It will take a few moments to install Django Oscar library on our system. Okay, so after installing the Django Oscar library into our system, the next thing we need to do is create our own project for the website. So let us create a new project in this file using Django admin start project command. The name of my project will be my site. Okay, so you can see that the project is created in this folder. After that, we need to make some changes in our settings.py file in order to integrate Django Oscar into our systems. So let us start creating these changes into our settings.py file. The first thing, we need to import Oscar's default libraries or Oscar's default files into our project. So let us copy this in our settings.py file. Okay, after that, let us see what we need to do next. We need to add these Oscar's context processors into our template settings in order to load the Django Oscar's default templates. So these are our template settings, and I am pasting these context processors in my template settings. So after adding context processors to our template settings, we need to add these Oscar's core default apps in our installed app settings. Before adding these apps, make sure you are on the latest release of Django Oscar. Otherwise it will create some issues. So we are on the latest version of Django Oscar, and now let us copy all these required apps into our settings.py. These are my installed app settings, and let us paste all these. So after adding installed app settings, the next thing we need to add is middlewares of Django Oscar library. We need to copy these settings into our middleware settings. I have done that too. The next thing we require is authentication backend. So let us copy this lines of code and paste it maybe here. Okay. We also need to add our search backend here. Let us paste these lines of code here. Our database settings are ready to go. Now we need to after making changes in our settings.py, we need to make some changes in our urls.py in order to load all the default Django Oscar URLs into our project. So let us copy this code and paste it in our urls.py here. Okay, so save both the files. Okay, so now let us go ahead. We need to cd into my site folder. After that, let us run python manage.py make migrations command. Oops, there is some sync. Okay, I have. Okay, let us run the command again, and this time it is successfully run. Now let us make migrations. After making migrations, let us run the migrate command. So now let us run python manage.py migrate command. You can see all the migrations taking place in our project. Okay, so after migrating all the after creating all the migrations, now let us run our server using python manage.py run server command. You can see that our code is running successfully. Let us click on this link, and this is the first page we have for Django Oscar, and we have successfully installed and integrated Django Oscar library into our project, and now you can see that. So this is it for this video. In the next video, in the next part, we will be learning how to customize the template you are able to see right now. Thank you so much for watching.